Hey guys, Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models. Got a 70 Dodge Super Bee here, a rebuild for a guy. I know, I don't do rebuilds. The paint was done and the trim on it, so I basically rebuilt it from the interior and reshot it. Did my undercarriage with the overspray, resprayed that, put a new rear end under it, new front end, rebuilt the motor. Looks pretty good. Pretty sharp looking car. I added the sport mirrors on the sides. It had those on it. White lettered the tires by hand. That was pretty rough. But blackened in a few things. Did the seat belts on my interior, as you can see. Put a set of gauges in it. Tack up on the dash. Wood grain wheel and trim on the console and stuff. Stock 440 in it. Cabled up the battery and everything. Repainted everything. The interior. Inner bay. Plug wires, boots. It's pretty sharp. I think it came out pretty nice looking. I think he'll be pleased with it. So, still working on that Comet. I'm back on that one. Matter of fact, I just shot some clear on it, or I'd show it to you. Maybe I'll do a video on that one later. And using the Mustang Firefighter Pro Stock Kit chassis. Not the best choice. I mean, it's tough, but I had to do a lot of chopping on it and stuff and modifying. So I hope it works out. But I'll show you that one when I see the clear, what it looks like. Hope it didn't wrinkle the decals. Some Slicks decals. I noticed the date on them was 98, so they're a little older. And you think you'd learn, but I forgot. I should have cleared them with some clear before I pulled it, because one of them cracked on me and kind of messed up, but I got it pretty much fixed. So anyways, there's Dodge Super Bee, the 70 Beast. I know one thing, them Hemis used to run. But this 440s, they pull their own too. Oh yeah, I fixed the dual exhaust up for him too on the back again. Put the chrome tips on it, blackening the ends. Got seat belts in the back too. I don't know if you can see those. The back seat lap belts laying there. Nice little touch. So, hood fits okay. It's not as flat as it should be, but I've read where all kinds of people are having trouble because of that giant air cleaner on it. So, but that's her, guys. So, you guys take care. I'm going to fire this one up. I got to fix my garage door or jerry rig it or something. It buckled on me on the top on the opener, and the opener stripped out. Won't lift the door hardly. And then it came down, and the motor kept running, and it buckled the top of my garage door. Man, these things are about $2 grand for one. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll figure something out. Anyways, hey. Feel better now that I've vented myself on you. You guys take care. Have a great week, and I'll holler at you later when I get that. See what happens with that Comet, how it come out. Talk to you later. Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Garage. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.